how to get the desktop website view on Brave browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the website desktop view on Brave browser. So let's start. First thing, we go to Brave browser. Now let's just choose any website like Facebook. Now I want to see it with the desktop view. First thing, you need to click on those three dots here and then go to desktop site. As you can see, now we can see it as if we are working from a computer. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much.